Hey guys, welcome back to Pro Gun. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to our channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review of the Falko Tactical Gun Cleaning Mat. Comes in a really nice heavy-duty tube. It's got some weight to this thing. The nice thing about it is when you're done, you can roll it up, put it back in here for storage. What sets this apart from most cleaning mats is that most of them are only an 1/8 of an inch thick. They're very floppy and flimsy. This Falko Tactical Cleaning Mat is twice the thickness. It's a 1/4 of an inch thick. You can, I don't know if you can see if I put them next to each other, but it's definitely twice the thickness. It's got a really nice smooth top to protect your firearm, and it's got a non-slip rubber back. It's waterproof and it's oil resistant. So the nice thing about that is if you spill water or solvents on it while you're cleaning your firearm, it's not going to soak through and ruin your table or your workbench. If you're using towels to clean your firearm, just go out and get yourself a good gun cleaning mat. I've gone through a lot of them in 30 years, and I got to tell you, this is by far the best quality I've seen. It's nice and thick, it's durable. This thing will last you for many years. They're available for pistol and rifle. I got one for the AR-15, and I got to tell you, this is the most comprehensive AR-15 diagram I have ever seen, let alone on a gun cleaning mat. It's got instructions on how to disassemble it and remove the bolt carrier group, and also in red it's got the recommended points to oil. They're a American owned and operated family owned company. They have great customer service and support. They're great quality products. I'm sure you'll enjoy this mat. Like I said, I've reviewed and I've gone through a lot of cleaning mats in my time, but I have never seen one of this kind of quality before. So if you want one for your AR-15 or your pistol, they even make custom mats. The link is in the description. Tell them Pro Gun sent you. Thanks for watching.